In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Canva designs into System.io. To get started, you will open System.io in your browser. Next, click the Site option and take a moment to orient yourself. The goal here is to reach the area where you can manage your sales funnel. When you do this, you will usually see navigation choices for funnels, pages, or editors, depending on your current setup. Spend just a second confirming you are in the correct workspace, because the right editor makes the rest of the process much smoother. Now that you are on the main navigation, navigate to your sales funnel. If you already have a funnel or page created, you want to select that specific one. This matters because an image you upload into the wrong editor will not appear where you want it. Once you find the funnel or page you want, open it. Look for the section that is labeled as your funnel or page editor. This is where you will build and customize the content that visitors will see. When you are inside the funnel or page editor, you can begin placing your Canva design. In the layout area, drag and drop an image element into your design. As you drag, watch the editor for a highlighted area or a placement hint. That is your signal that the element can be dropped in that position. Dropping the element correctly now saves time later, because you can then adjust it with the editor settings. After the image element appears on the page, the next step is to connect it to your Canva artwork. Click the image element you just added, so it becomes selected. When it is selected, you should see options appear in the sidebar. Look for the image upload icon in the sidebar, since that is the control used to add your actual file. This step is important because it is what turns a placeholder into your real design. Now upload your file from Canva. To do that, use the Upload option and choose the file you exported from Canva. After the file is selected, click Insert. This may take a moment while the editor processes the image. Once it finishes, you should see your Canva design appear inside the image element on the page. If you do not see it immediately, give the editor a second to refresh. At this point, the image is in place, but it may not yet be sized correctly. That is completely normal. Move to the editor settings where you can adjust the size, margins, and padding. Take your time here and aim for a clean, balanced look. Size controls help you fit the design within the section without making it too large or too small. Margins and padding help you control spacing around the image, so the layout does not feel crowded or misaligned. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on how the image aligns with the surrounding elements on the page. If the image looks cut off or stretched, that is usually a sign that you need to refine the size or spacing. If the layout looks too tight, increasing padding or margins can help. If the image is not fitting the way you expect, adjusting the size will usually fix the visual flow. When you are satisfied with the placement and appearance, you will finalize your changes. Click Save Changes. This step ensures that the editor stores the update and that your visitors will see the new image in the funnel or page. Without saving, changes may be lost or may not display correctly for others viewing the page. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.